How to add texture inside text in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I downloaded a texture picture from Pexels and I want to use it inside a text. Go to the Effects panel and click on Titles. Drag and drop a text plus into Timeline. With the text selected, open up Inspector panel and change the text properties based on your needs. Now click on Shading tab. Under Properties, change Type to Image. Then change Image Source to Clip. Now click on Browse button and choose your image. And now the texture is inside the text. You can change the mapping angle and size of the texture based on your liking. Also, mapping level is set to character, which means that the image repeated in each character, and we can change to text so the image is only appeared once in the whole text. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.